Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Telegram. You should just follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to settings and you will click here. In this page, you will go down until you find this window of apps, default apps, app settings, as you see here. On above, you will search about the application of Telegram and you will enter in this window. Then, as you see here in app info, you will go down and you will click on force stop. Then you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. And after that you will click on clear data. And as you see here, you will find your storage usage. Then you will click on clear cache here on the application of Telegram to clear your storage usage like this. And you can also here, you will find auto remove cached media. You can also here choose this auto remove. You can choose if you want 1 day or 1 week or month or never. You will find here also group chats. You can choose for this 1 week or 1 day or anything. Here you will find channels. You can also choose auto remove cached here, and you will find stories. And when you will end all these steps here, you will choose this maximum cache size. You will choose if you want 5 or 30 like this here, 2 or no limit or anything you want here. And after that you will return to this application of you will return to this page of app info and you will click on permissions here. Then in this page you will check if all these permissions allowed. For example, here you will find call logs, contacts, music and audio, notifications, phone, photos and videos. You will check if this permissions that I tell you here that are allowed like this. And then after that you will go to this window of Play Store. You will click in this sign of search. Here you will click in this sign. You will search about the application of Telegram like this. Then in this page here, if you find update in this blue sign, you can update your app. But if all these steps that I tell you in this video, if it's not working with you, then the final solution, you should just to uninstall your app and then you can install it again to fix that problem of Telegram not opening on your phone, as you see here. So that's all. See you next time in another video, and don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.